Look at how cute these boxes are. All right, so we got some cute little spoons. Those are adorable. I think Christmas is half off. Look at these little cups. Look at that little, I think those are bulldogs, French bulldogs. Look at those, are so cute. How cute are these aprons? These little baby miniature cups, adorable. Look at this mug, you guys. It's like it has a cap to it. How much is it? $11.99. These are little tiny ones, adorable. And then the bigger ones. Look at this like cookie jar. Grinch, so cute. These are cute. They say fa la la la. It's cute. Look at these. These are glass. These are beautiful. Stay frosty. They're like frosted glass cups. More cookie jars. The Hello Kitty slippers. They're so cute. Oh, look at this tool. This looks new to me. Yeah, it's a Christmas series. Christmas ribbon, $9.99, 6 by 200 feet, half off. So $5. Look at all the different colors they have, guys. For those of you who make wreaths and stuff like that. I found more Grinch stuff. Look at Cindy Lou. Cindy Lou Who, I think. Yes, look at how cute. They got Hello Kitty. Look at these plushies. They're so cute. More Hello Kitty stuff. What is this? I'm not sure. I think it's like a pillow. Look at these. They're like the little crackers. And bowls and cups. Tumblers. How adorable is this cup? Warm wishes. Guys, they have a Hello Kitty waffle maker. That's cute. Look at this, so cute. Stop it. Look at these guys. They're not on sale, but I have to get them. They're beautiful. They're like enamel. I gotta get both. Okay, so I would come on a time where they're not on sale, but look at these, are adorable. They're little smiley face gems with gold foil. They're beautiful, guys. These look like a little resin. So this is what I came here for. I got the wrong one. This one is 80 pounds, 65 pounds. I got an 80-pound one that said heavyweight. I like to get the extra heavyweight, 110-pound cardstock. And yeah, it's a huge pack. $21. I would come when it's not on sale, but I need this. I love printing on these for my ephemeras. Guys, they have a Hello Kitty vacuum. This one's $11.99. And then they have this one for $10.99. Oh man, I want to get it, but I don't need it. They have a handheld vacuum. They have the Robo vacuum for $37.99. They have Jurassic Park for the little, look at these are cake pop makers. $18.99. It makes a little Hello Kitty faces. That's adorable. More Hello Kitty stuff. What's this? A mug with a mug warmer. Stop it. Stop. $16.99. A fondue maker, Hello Kitty. All this is Hello Kitty stuff. Look at the toasters. $29.99. They have a little crock pot, you guys. No way. That's a mini fridge for $80. They have a Barbie mini fridge for $36.99. It's so cute. It has gold on the front. Star Wars. I forget his name. Little Baby Yoda. No, they didn't with the Bob Ross, guys. Bob Ross toaster and a grilled cheese sandwich maker. Pokemon. These are great for Christmas gifts. I'm just saying, my birthday coming up. If anybody wants to be nice and get me some Hello Kitty stuff. It's so cute.